Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Headlines: Arewa youths kick against asylum to IPOB. Right? Arewa youths, then they kick against the asylum when the British people claim say they want to they give IPOB. But now we will start with the response from IPOB people. IPOB people, they don't tell the British people what them want. So all this Arewa youth kicking against IPOB asylums, at the end of the day, it not going to make any sense again, because IPOB don't send message to the British people. That is the UK people, including the Nigerian people. That is the FG say they're not they interested of any asylum. Waiting and they interested on be say they want referendum. Remember, say Niger government, then they fear semen. Anytime when this referendum come, then they into big problem. Nigerian government, they into very, very big problem. You know, this asylum of a thing, not be the thing when they scare or when they make the northerners, then they fear. The thing when they make that they fear be say, anytime when they hear that referendum, then they restless, because they know say if they try to give IPOB referendum, Nigeria is gone. Nigeria is bye-bye. All their power is gone. But I know say nobody when go vote for one Nigeria. All this one when they hear one Nigeria from APC people mouth. Now few of them, ladies and gentlemen, but last time I don't tell them, I say it gets some people when they inside APC and PDP, when we say them be big wings inside the political parties, but they not like one Nigeria anymore. Fear no go let them yan, because I know say if they yan, FG fee come for them. And I know how FG they intimidate people. FG fee use EFCC, label them something, say them be fraudsters. Or the fee use DSS, say maybe they commit treasonable felony. They go just concoct one story. They go just go carry those people, go lock them up. So all these things, even to assassinate them. So all these things make those inner APC and the PDP big wings, then they fear. They know say this one Nigeria don't finish for their hand. They know say what they happen inside that one Nigeria not supposed to they happen, but fear no go let them come and cognac. So waiting they panic the northern people. Somebody like Yerima Shatima, the Buhari's family, all this group of people, them waiting they call that one, they Kolano Sela, when we got Bashi, all of them they panic, they see nothing. See Nigeria is bye-bye from the hand, because waiting can make it more dangerous to them now. Waiting can they fear them the most be say the Yoruba people don't join the agitation. They don't they agitate say we no want one Nigeria again. All of us see what happened in Ibadan last time. All of us see what they happen everywhere. So all these things they make them fear, including Bola Tinubu. They're not asleep again, ladies and gentlemen. Nor be this British grant IPOB or the one they grant IPOB people asylum be their panic. The thing when they panic, them be say Yoruba people they don't stand one place. So even one Oba from a very big Oba from Yoruba land, not be the Olu of Owo or the Owo of Owo. That one. You know waiting go before her. Because when people now they cry out, say, here's when people don't they attack them in all war. Remember, say that Olu of one another Yoruba man when they sabotage the effort of the Oduduwa people. But that one already failed. And people now don't they stand up, say, men, here's when people they can't raid them. They can't kill them in their farms. Now, to the northern cabals, like a person like this man they call Yarima Shatima, when they always they come out they talk once a while, and the man don't come out and they claim say it not like the way when the British people want grant IPOB and Mossop people asylum. Remember, see, Mossop now they don't come out, but that one we go roll out in another of our segment. The answer when Mossop people give British people. Remember, see, IPOB don't give their own. Tell them say they don't want asylum, waiting they want na referendum. Then Mossop now don't come on their own. Una go still see and hear with the Mossop people. Nyan in another of our segment. But now about waiting Yarima Shatima, the leader of Arewa forums. Now their boss pata. Now the matter when Nyan. Now we go Nyan. Now with the Nyan right here. This man, if you don't know who Yarima Shatima be, now him be their leader, the of the whole consultative forums in the north. Now Buhari, the boy. People went on deceive themselves with the Buhari. The man don't talk a lot of complicated things, just like the Pantani. Now, APC people and the North now, they don't come and say the Pantani, say, now game that they play with his name, say they won't smear his name. Somebody, when American people say they want them, say in the sponsor terrorists. So, una no say, I don't tell una before, say anytime when they catch these people, then they always deny. But this Pantani own, the guy no go scot-free because the American government, they look for this one. And the American government say, man, then they suspect the guy. And they tell you, they don't tell us, the news don't tell us now, say, in no longer time, then go place this guy, then go just place this guy in no-fly zone. Meaning say the guy no go anywhere. Anywhere where they see him, Interpol go babam. I mean the Issa Pantani. Now, IPOB say they don't want referendum. But these Arewa people, then they claim say, Nigerian government say they got to go review their relationship with the British people. Remember, they will rule the British people and these Arewa people that they do all the time. Maybe sir, they want to, make sure say now they cannot calm down when they take the review, say Buhari don't die. That is why they say, okay, make we just go this way, make we see what thing happen. Nobody know what trigger the British people to come up with this kind of decision. Say they won't give the IPOB people refugee anytime they ask for. But they don't deny them. They say they don't want them. So make we take a look, read, make it not be like, see, now we, they form the whole thing. So now waiting the news, they tell us with that. Now Sahara Reporters, this news they come from. All of us know the boss Oga Patapata of Sahara Reporters when be the Omo election already former candidate of AAC, I mean presidential candidates. Now he be the founder and owner of the Sahara Reporters. Now he be the Oga Patapata. Buhari government must review relationship with UK over asylum for IPOB Arewa youth. Sahara Reporters. Yarima Shatima call on the Nigerian government to be decisive in its decision against UK counterparts. All right. I say the problem when the Nigeria, they don't pass this Buhari name. Make una stop to use Buhari to the light on ourselves. Because if president they on board, all these things when they happen, even Yarima Shatima no go come out, come talk. Yarima Shatima no go come out, come talk if Buhari they alive. All these ones when them now Femi Adesina don't hide it. Now they come out again. I know say now once a while that one they come out, come they blow hot. All of them, everything when that one they talk now fake and the force. Okay, this one again when Bigabashehu, that one na Oga liar. Then the other one, the La Muhammad, they don't see that one when he inside Bele say, lie fit that man. I made a give him La Muhammad. All these people, they are big time liars. If the president they on board, I bet you these people no will come and come speak. Because when Goodluck Jonathan dey as Nigerian president, make I just give example of Goodluck Jonathan today. If you never watch Goodluck Jonathan's videos, go back, go dey watch am now. All the whole statement when they make. 99.9 statements when come out from the Aso Rock, then days when Goodluck Jonathan dey as Nigerian president. Now the man when be Ebele Jonathan, now they come and they come speak out for himself. Today, Nigerian people, they not get government. Now these few people, when they call themselves the Kabas and the presidency, most especially Garba Shehu, when I don't tell them, say, now I replace Abba Kyari, now they come the lie all the time. Now I be the person when they come out all the time. You go ask yourself, if this president day, my guy, all this is what they happen in Southeast, gunmen, herdsmen, all the time. That they kill. President, no, they've never come out one day condemn. Say, why you guys they do like this? Why are they behaving like this? Even though say, na him they sponsor them or not being they sponsor them, the man supposed come out one day at least condemn or support. But we never see this guy come condemn or never see this guy come support. All these things when they happen. So because our people say, if you're not there right, you there left. Now, we know they see this person, when they call Buhari, he not they left, he not they right, nowhere to be found. Every day that they come, they use President Muhammadu Buhari to go review. Waiting that they review when we say Nigerian people get a ghost as president. Nobody, no day when the man don't come out, say a word. Now, they say in travel go UK. UK, the man not come out in television, speak. He come back, since when he come back, he not come out in television, speak. So you go continue to wonder, say, man, even some people they claim say in the incapacitated and not just understand. If in the incapacitated, he got to resign. He got to resign. But that incapacitated, now why you one, ladies and gentlemen. He go London, and wife not follow. Una say president today. He come back, and wife not come out, come welcome him. That is in the face of the 200 million Nigerian people. And wife not still come out, come welcome her husband. So you go wonder why these people they use this name, they deceive you. Let me say Buhari government got to review. Okay, make we read or make we see waiting the Yarima Shatima get for Ona today. And at the matter when the drivers left and right be that. Make we hear waiting in Yan. Okay. The Arewa Youth Consultative Forum has faulted the decision of the United Kingdom to grant asylum to members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. National President of AYCE, Arewa Youth Consultative Forum, Yarima Shatima, said the Nigerian government should review its relationship with its UK counterpart following such a move. Remember, see, somebody like the Lala Muhammad don't come tell us, say, that move when UK people make, say they stab them for back. Meaning, say, in say UK people sabotage their Nigerian counterpart. And also, you can call and say, na disrespect. Na him, UK people disrespect Nigerian government. All this once again, the president not come and come speak. All these ones are the presidencies then when they speak. I don't ask now whether I voted for presidency before. I not see anybody when give me answer. Though from Gidi know the answer already, say the answer now no. So they continue. Okay. Now, una don hear waiting Yarima Shatima Nyan about the problem. Because now this one again don't turn their problem. Because no now say the UK don't fully, be like say the UK don't fully understand what they go on. You know. And nobody know what other game that they try to play. Okay, make we go to the sponsorer of the terrorist people when be same Pantani, because now the man now they come out online all the time. And this one, the news they tell us, say, CBN told to freeze Pantani's account over terrorist link. Okay, as somebody like Wiki demand minister sack. Make you know now, say, the matter when concern Pantani don't get out of hand, out of control. APC people, they're not fit handle them again, because even PDP, when be their counterpart, but then they claim, say, when be their brothers, PDP, then they claim, say, them be oppositions. But we know who all of them be, because all of them now one group of people. When they play Manya with 200 million Nigerian people. That is why IPOB will continue to reign, continue to chant freedom. That is why people have to support these freedom fighters like Mazen Nandekano, ESN people, and IPOB worldwide. Because if these people succeed 2023, big danger will come. And that danger not go be for only the northern people, it will be everywhere in Nigeria. That is why people have to come and support Sunday Igboho. This APC and PDP lies don't do too much. Now we all of us don't know who them be. Then they do business on top of our head. Then they crumble our treasury, loot out our money to foreign countries, kill innocent Nigerian people, kill our women, adopt youth from the south of the country to the southwestern part of the country, including southern part of the country, including the middle belt. So now we know who this will be. We will continue to stand up, continue to rise up against these people. If we failed to take this chance where we get between now to 2023, that ethnic cleansing will come full time. If we allow APC or PDP to take over that power. Remember, say Atiku Abubakar, na PDP member, na Buhari brother. All of them na the same agenda they carry for head. Remember, say Jagaban, na still the same thing with these people. So don't let anybody, APC or PDP, to cow you down, to deceive you, to make you believe, say, them be one thing or the other. These people, now the problem when 200 million Nigerian people get. That is why we continue to support IPOB. IPOB is fighting the right fight. Support Sunday Igboho from the Oduduwa land. Sunday Igboho, they fight the right fight for the people. If we not succeed, maybe we allow these APC criminals to succeed again and PDP people, we are all in big problem. Remember, say all of them, their families, their wives, all of them, they are abroad. Somebody like Okorocha, could you believe Okorocha wife, they are abroad? But the money one belongs to Imo State people. Okorocha take and finish. Remember again, Opuzodema continue to battle Okorocha to finish. Opuzodema government now don't claim say they go take 30 properties that belonged to Okorocha. When Okorocha siphon their money, loot Imo State people money, though that man again won't be Opuzodema now still the same thing. So that is why you see, say, anytime when they want to try to go out, then go put their people, when go cover their sin. The evil what they don't do, they will put the person. Now the same thing when after Hopus of them I don't deal with Okorocha, the time when they go on come out, if in the another 4 years in office, after this first tenure, he go try to put another person. Now the thing when Okorocha try to put that his son-in-law. But the thing come backfire Okorocha. Now, the government of 30 properties, one person, and the people, they hungry. People, they for street, they naked, they beg money everywhere. One person, take all your money. Now, the thing when APC and PDP, then they do to Nigerian people. All of us go rise up and say, enough is enough. This money, what they carry, belongs to you and I, and our future generation. Now, then get all this money when one person go carry billions upon billions of dollars from his people. For what, Kwano? So, now, Okorocha in a big problem. Big problem with his friend when be Opuzodema. So, Opuzodema saying go fight Okorocha till death. He no go relent. He go use his last blood to battle Okorocha. To take everything when belongs to Okorocha in Imo State there. Even the ones when they outside. 30 properties. One person. Now, so all of them be the whole APC people, the whole PDP people. Now the same game when all of them don't they play since 1999. They come even before that 1999. These people, they are dangerous people. Now don't destroy that country when be Nigeria. Make we see how they want to freeze this terrorist man account when be Issa Pantani. Even wicked, they tell them say make them sack him. APC say they must sack him. PDP say they go sack him. As a minister, because now disgracing be to their own government. And at the same Buhari, even since when this revelation don't come, say Pantani the sponsor terrorists. The same Buhari one they call they take deceive 200 million Nigerian people. He not come out, can't speak. He not come out, nothing. Nobody don't see him. Even since when they say he come back from the Wuru London, where they go, nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Me read a little bit. Me see me to conclude this Ubenga segment. Like terrorist link. Pantani should leave immediately, but the government doesn't care. Now the same government all of it be. Now wicked yan. He said government of see. That is why people don't like Nigerian government. Then go say they don't like criticism. If you don't like criticism, like as we they do here, get out from politics. If you feel that they criticize you, and you don't like criticism, leave politics, because if you are a politician, I don't want people to criticize you. And I say you be swept by politicians, because politicians will know say they sabi take blow. Because they do evil things, and you cannot continue to do evil things and want people to keep quiet. You want people not to speak when they do the bad thing. So now the same government now Wike they tell you now say Wike, the governor of Rivers State, they tell you now say Pantani should leave immediately, but the government they not care. So tell me how people will come out and say Nigerian government they are good people when all of them are criminals. Some, even the Pantani, all of them, they loot money come out from your treasury. What are you telling me? So Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State has reacted to the alleged infiltrations of the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Dr. Issa Pantani, with Taliban and Al-Qaeda terrorist group. You know they hear? Not be Boko Haram, because the man don't claim say Boko Haram are small. People, when they give him money, when they chop him money, when they loot come up from our treasury, now Taliban, when they Afghanistan, make una know say in network, not be today. In network now, I go. Taliban and Al-Qaeda people. These people, when they reign, now that place they call Afghanistan, Uzbekistan. All of the name now stand. Now that they reign, now there is a pattern, they load the money, they go. I've been in Iraq. Now all those places, all these people there. Wike, in a reaction posted on Twitter page, username Governor Wike said, no reasonable government would allow a person with the issue around Dr. Pantani to remain in its cabinet. Ordinarily, the minister should leave immediately, but the government doesn't care. This should not be allowed, saying it was done in the past or he has repented is not the issue. It is inexcusable at best. We can see the seed he sowed that have germinated and led to the killing and destruction of people. If I was in such situation, I would have tendered my resignation. This one, the governor of the Nyam. Even if get one governor of Kaduna State or Kano State, when the ex-governor, ladies and gentlemen, when died before in a plane crash, when they claim say this Issa Pantani hand not come out inside. So you go tell me how you go choose, people like this to be in your government. So ladies and gentlemen, now here we will drop this matter because the matter don't they say. All right. So, and if you know say you never subscribed to our channel before, please do subscribe to our channel. Pantani, people they call for your resignation. Kindly tender your resignation and submit yourself to American FBI and Interpol so that you will go in for your treasonable offense according to the way where they call them in Nigeria. Now,